popular metropolitan city of the state Texas, and this is the river walk, view of the river walk, the most dynamic natural treasure inside the city San Antonio. San Antonio has the rich history of the independence of Texas. Basically, the Native Americans have captured Texas from Mexico, and that great conquest was the symbol of their heroic personality. So this is the reason. You can see how beautiful river walk. This is 1.5 mile long walk, and you can see the trees, and we will go down and we will capture more about this river walk.
Right here in front of us is the first neighborhood of
San Antonio River Walk, River Valley, the city of rivers, San Antonio.
Fun fact, over 1,000 movies and TV segments have been filmed here in San Antonio. If I have any
I am on
Spanish-speaking
the
people on
boat,
board, I would like to
and
say
I'm listening
mucho.
to the history
That
of
just means a lot.
San Antonio, how San
that
Antonio
one
was conquered.
All right.
What was the
Beautiful
history behind
sculpture.
it?
Over here, Mexican cowboy called a vaquero.
I'm enjoying in the boat.
And that's in front of the Briscoe
I
Western
always
Art Museum.
get admired by
Guys,
the
keep your
natural
voices
beauty.
down though because Okay, guys. 9 o'clock and 9:30. There is a great show. Okay, go there. It's a laser light show. Projected on the 7,000 square foot base of the building. 22 minutes long, set to music. The show will be 500 and 700 years old. 90 feet tall. 25 feet thick. Cypress trees lived here about 1,000 years old.
This is the cypress tree.
And that's called the
1,000
McMillan
years
tree.
old. Cypress trees all along the waterfront of the landscape of the
1835
river.
Texas Patriot Colonel McMillan escaped prison and was
City
shot.
of Antonio's river walk. People are having their walk, and the lights are very, fascinating for our souls. And I really feel myself here. I can feel the beauty, I feel the richment of this place, why it is so dynamic, why it is so famous and most economic for the city, and how people are having food and various various yummy, tasty, scrumptious fragrance of the food is coming all around the corner. As I have mentioned that the waterfront landscape has museums, restaurants which are lighting up, and as the Thanksgiving is around the corner, so because of the Thanksgiving, the decoration is almost very vibrant. Trees are lighting up, and I think after the sunset the view is more pretty and very pretty. These are the different fascinating lights. Water is shining in the river. Lighting is the most beautiful attraction, fascinating attraction of this river walk. We are on the way to leave this place, and we are heading towards the parking lot with a lot of floral lightning and water, fascinating flowing water memories with us, taking with us to our home. And in the night, little windy and calming weather. You can listen to the boat's speaker. He is all the way making a ride to the tourist and dictating the history of San Antonio, especially the features of river walk. I really admire how river is flowing beautifully. A very adorable place. If you come with your children, your families, or you can express your love for your relations, like mother and father love a child have for his or her parents and siblings, the one can express, they can come to the rich historical place of beautiful, you know, water, what aesthetic water arts and history. This city is also known as the city of river. This is the restaurant, patio outside as well, and the you know, landscape, the path alongside the water is so fascinating, so peaceful. You can come, if you live near, you can come in the night and have a walk of the river to feel yourself, you know, light out of all the worries and the stress. People all around the world come here, especially they never miss this place, the river walk. Whenever they come to Antonio, they never miss this place. And I must recommend to the one who is basically viewing my vlog, they must come here to have good and happy memories. So this was all for San Antonio's river walk. Let me move ahead and see what as I can show you. We planned today's trip for San Antonio, and as I reached to San Antonio, the very first place is the river walk. And you know, you can say river walk is the entire San Antonio, but still there are a lot of places to visit, but we are not planning to visit today because time is not enough, as we already had 3 hours time period of the travel to reach here, which is very hectic. So now we are saying goodbye to this place. So goodbye river walk, goodbye to my all viewers. And if you have any queries, if you want to ask anything regarding this vlog, you can ask me in the comment box. Allah Hafiz, goodbye. And do like and subscribe and do promote my channel. If you will promote, I will be encouraged and I will be, you know, enthusiastic to create more vlogs, to visit more places of United States, and to please you and to give you knowledge regarding it. Okay, goodbye, Allah Hafiz.